Are you facing tough times and maybe thinking that why it is happening with me? Let us observe an accurate method to come out of tough times without major impact by giving gratitude for challenging situations. This is your host and friend Jitendra. Welcome to your journey of freedom from everyday life challenges by power of your own mind. Here we discuss easy methods to help yourself. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Our today's topic of discussion is why to give gratitude for challenging situations. We normally express our gratitude for all the good things in life, but we rarely practice gratitude for challenging situations. It is important to be grateful to the toughest struggle and deepest grief because those difficult experiences are beneficial. Either they result in something good or they make us internally strong. Can you recall a situation you really struggled to cope with? While going through that challenging phase, did you get angry, critical, anxious, bitter, or hurt? And after you successfully crossed the issue, were you grateful to the chaos for bringing your best? Instead of accepting challenges, we feel it is normal to get hurt, upset, blame our fate, or blame someone else. These reactions deplete our energy further. Our weakness makes the problem appear even bigger than it actually is. Let us be grateful to the challenges for showing us our true potential. When pushed out of our comfort zone, we emerge certain qualities which we were not even aware of. Our power to face, power to tolerate, power to adjust are activated. Gratitude strengthens us internally, increases our capacity, protects us from negative energies, and radiates our highest energy to the scene. Accept and respect challenges by showing gratitude. Your energy influences them and helps you cross them with stability. Start teaching your mind to be grateful to adversities in life for showing your inner potential. Experience contentment and thank God for who you are and what you have. Thank every situation in your life. Remember, every scene is perfect as it meant to be. Thank whatever it brings to you. Accept every situation as if you had chosen it. You must understand it as a karmic outcome, a result of your past karma. Even in the face of tragedy, a calamity, a crisis, don't question the scene. Understand it is accurate and beneficial. Situations can be imperfect, but your state of mind should be perfect. Don't create stress, pain, or fear. Your gratitude influences the situation positively. Your acceptance silences your mind. Choose the right thoughts, activate your intuition, and listen to your inner voice. Do the right karma now and cross the situation with stability and dignity. Be grateful for the opportunity to settle your past karmas. Be grateful for the opportunity to increase your inner power, to come out of it stronger, and to take the lessons forward. Now, since you stayed with us until the end of this video, here is your bonus action plan. It is to be followed from today. First of all, don't think that there is an obstacle in my way, but think that it is my way. Follow the principle of accept and respect, means accept that there is a challenge and respect it. Now practice gratitude every moment in your life, especially 2 times in a day. First, when you wake up, just before coming out of the bed, say gratitude for every person and situation in your life. Second, in the night, just before going to the bed. Repeat this for next 21 days and you will see things will start changing positively in your life. Remember, every small step is important to achieve a big goal. So what is that one thing you liked in today's video? And which other challenges are you facing at present? We would like to hear your comments. Now I take your leave. Lots of gratitude and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to get more such self-help videos. This was your friend and host Jitendra. We will meet soon in next video. Take care and keep yourself happy. always. Bye.